I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Sample Mania on Amazon. Sample Mania is a fantastic program that lets you discover and try new products without cost or at a very low price. It's a great way to explore items from various categories, from beauty to home goods. You can often find samples of popular brands and exciting new releases. We'll walk through finding and requesting these freebies. To begin, open your Amazon app or visit the website. You can often find Sample Mania by searching for Sample Mania or free samples in the search bar. Sometimes, Amazon will feature a dedicated section or promotional banners for samples, especially during sales events. Remember, many of the best sample opportunities are exclusive to Prime members, so ensure your membership is active. Once you've found the Sample Mania section, browse through the available items. You might find samples for as little as 1 rupee or 99 rupees. Add the sample you want to your cart. During checkout, especially on the final order page, look for an option to add a free sample to your shipment. Select your sample and complete your order. It will arrive with your other purchases. To maximize your Sample Mania experience, check Amazon frequently, as new samples are often added daily, sometimes around 3 p.m. Always read the product descriptions to ensure the sample is right for you. After trying a sample, consider leaving an honest review. This helps other shoppers and can sometimes lead to more sample opportunities. Remember, popular samples go quickly, so be ready to grab them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.